Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another review video. So before going into the video, subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up. Next to it you'll find a bell button, click it on so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload my video. And you can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out. Now let's get into the video. What did I do? Now let's get into the video. So today's video is gonna be about this Vaadi Herbals Bamboo Age Defining Moisturizer with Grapeseed Extract. So this product is my favorite one, and yeah, this is by Vaadi Herbals, and this is an Ayurvedic product. So yeah, this retails for 65 rupees for 60 ml, and they also mention the expiry date and manufacturing date backside of this product, and also they have written all the things about this product. And what does bamboo does? It nourishes skin, delays wrinkles and sagging. Grapeseed extract promote cells regrowth, and also they mention the ingredients, what they have used in it, and directions. After cleansing face, apply this lotion in dots all over the face and neck area using fingertips and gently massage the lotion. So this product so this is how this product looks like. It comes in this green whitish with little bit of bamboo design on it, and this design itself looks so attractive and it keeps attracting me a lot, and which has this white cap, and yeah, it is a flip cap. And yeah, sorry, I've been using ends too many times, so yeah, I squeezed out the product. So this product is little bit of greenish white color. Hope you guys can see it. It has this green tint to it, and it absorbs into your skin like really well, and it moisturizes your skin so good. And this fragrance, oh my god, the fragrance is really good. I am in love with the fragrance, and I can live with the fragrance forever and ever. This fragrance is like amazing, and it also stays for like 6 to 8 hours, and then if you want, you can reapply this product, because as you guys can see, this is travel friendly. You can just carry it along with you. And also let me just tell you about this product, because normally when you want to buy something which has this bamboo and grapeseed oil extract, it is like really expensive, and also you won't get many products which has bamboo in it. But this one is very inexpensive, and it has bamboo and grapeseed, which is really refreshing, and it also has that a natural kind of feeling to it when you are using this after having a good shower. When you want to relax, you can just apply this lotion and you will feel amazed because of this lotion, this moisturizer. And it also moisturizes really well. It makes your skin so soft and very smooth and touchable. So yeah, this is my favorite product, and this is my second or third tube. So I'm in love with this product, and this is the amazing product, and I'll leave all the links below so that you guys can check it out. And it's just 65 rupees, and this is not a sponsored video. I am in love with this product, so yeah, I can't I don't know, like you just have to try this and you'll know like what I'm feeling right now about this product. So this is one of the best product I've ever used, and it also has this bamboo, which is really good. So I'm in love with this product, and this product is a huge A to me. Hope you guys liked it. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.